We have found a place at the top of the world. Where time stops. There is no pressure from outside. We have found a place to be creative. Design space. Fresh ideas are welcome here. We're designing the future of Earth as it is in heaven. You are welcome here. In8 Design Hub, rural retreat, group accommodation, mini conferences, workshops. Book now, in8.nz.